The question is, how do I update the icon for each of my notebooks? Okay, this one is actually really easy. It's not intuitive at all. So this is the main page for NotebookLM. This is just notebooklm.google.com, and then this is the list of all my notebooks. So if, let's say for this one, for the general aviation one, let's say I don't like this, I guess it's a book, and I want to change it. And I'm clicking on the book and nothing happens. If I right click, nothing happens. And if I go over to the ellipsis here, I can either delete or edit. Delete, I don't want to delete it. If I want to edit it, it brings up this window and I can change the name, but I want to change this icon. And I'm clicking on it here and it doesn't do anything, right? So how do I actually change it? So we have to go into the notebook. So let me click on here to go into the general aviation notebook. And this is a save chat from an earlier video. And now if I come up here, I can click on the book here. Now this gives me, these icons are actually emojis. So if I click on it, it actually gives me the emoji picker on my computer. Yours might look a little different, but however it looks, it's the emoji picker. And then just from here, you're limited to whatever emojis you have on your computer. So if it's a general aviation one, so let me just put in plane and see what it has here. And it's like, here are different airplanes, and I'll pick this one. So now this is changed. Now if I go back out, now it's changed again here. I can't click it here, so I have to go into the notebook and click it, and then I can change it to whatever emoji I want. One thing to note is you have to have a source. So looking at this notebook next to it, this was a notebook that I made earlier this year, and it was something about food. I forgot specifically what, but whatever it was, I got rid of that source. So I have 0 sources, and let me go into this notebook, and it pops up the add sources because I don't have any. That's normal. If I close that, I don't have the option here. I don't have the emoji to click on. So I can't change this one like I changed the other one. You have to have at least one source, and then you can change it. But yeah, besides that, that's all you really have to do is go into the notebook and click on it, and then pick a new emoji, and then you're good to go. So hopefully that answers your question, and we'll see you next time.